Hello, I'm Pavel Matoška from the company PENTA Trading Czech Republic. Allow me to introduce new die sinking EDM machine P534GRI. Die sinking EDM machine P534GRFI is a result of long-term cooperation and development of companies PENTA and FANUC. The machine complements the metal working machine program of FANUC. There are exclusively FANUC components used in the machine like motors, servo drivers, PLC, CNC. This makes the machine very stable and reliable. The generator is based on modern semiconductor elements like free programmable gate array FPGA. These assure high speed of work and high quality workpiece surface, and also very low electrode wear. Polygranite machine body is very rigid and stable, which makes machine very precise. Rising tongue is very ergonomic and makes the full automation very easy. The usual options like automatic electrode changer, workpiece changer, rotary C-axis are available. Machine is produced in 3 basic sizes. Machine is distributed by international dealer network.